Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Frances Urvas Johnson and I am joined by the very charming Mr. David Dolgan, and we are your MCs for the evening, and we warmly welcome you to the 15th Biennial Slovenian Cultural Festival, brought to you by the Council of Slovenian Organisations of Victoria. Before we get things underway, I would like to apologise for the delay due to technical difficulties. As you know, tonight we turn our clocks back an hour, and so I suppose we've lost some time now too. So thank you for your patience and your understanding, and we apologise for the inconvenience.
Spoštovani gostje, dame in gospodje, pozdravljeni in dobrodošli med nami.
Thank you, David. We acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land, the Wurundjeri people, and we extend a very warm welcome to our special guests, Her Excellency Mrs. Helena Drnovšek-Zorko, Ambassador of the Republic of Slovenia, Councillor Helen Patzika-Teodoru, Mayor of Hume City, Mr. Bernie Finn, MP, Member for Western Metropolitan Region, Mr. Peter Mundell, OIM JP, Council Member for the Government of the Republic of Slovenia for Slovenians Abroad, and Vice President of the Council of Slovenian Organisations of Victoria. Did you get that, everybody? Councillor Eddie Contel, Councillor from the greater city of Geelong, welcome. Ms. Maria Anjic, representing the Slovenian Religious and Cultural Centre, St. Cyril and Methodius in Kew. Mrs. Romana Zetko, President of Slovenian Social Club Jadran, our host venue for the evening. Mr. Mario Jakin, President of the Slovenian Club in St. Albans. Ms. Tanja Smrdel, Executive Producer, Slovenian Language Program, Radio SBS. And Ms. Sonja Rupnik, Convener of the Slovenian Language Program, Radio 3ZZZ. And Mr. Adrian Vatovec, the Editor of Slovenian News Adelaide. Welcome everybody. Thank you so much for joining us this evening.
Kulturni program bodo odprli učenci Slomškove šole Q, ki vas bodo pozdravili v slovenskem in angleškem jeziku.
Our opening item of the program is a greeting presented by the children of Slomšek School in Q. Please welcome them.
Ena, dva, tri.
Welcome to the 15th Slovenian Festival.
Ena, dva, tri.
Dobrodošli na 15. Slovenski festival.
Thank you to the children of Slomšek School, charming as always. Next, we are delighted to have Ms. Maria Anjic, representing the Slovenian Religious and Cultural Centre, on behalf of our leader of the Slovenian Mission, Father Cyril Božič, OFM OIM, who unfortunately is unable to join us today.
Pozdravno pismo in čestitke Patra Cyrila Božiča bo v njegovem imenu prebrala misionarka gospa Marija Anjic.
Good evening to everybody. I will just read the letter of Father Cyril in Slovenian, and then later on we'll pray in English as well. Spoštovani gospod Karmodi in gospod Mandel, predsedniki slovenskih društev, dragi rojaki in gostje 15. slovenskega festivala. Pozdrave vam vsem pošiljam iz pomladne Slovenije, kjer sem na kapitlu slovenskih frančiškanov v Nazarjah v Savinjski dolini. Opravičujem se, da ne morem biti z vami na gotovo veselem in prazničnem dogodku, slovenskem festivalu na Slovenskem društvu Jadran, kjer smo 19. marca, prav na praznik svetega Jožefa, obhajali sveto mašo. Vsem želim prijetno druženje ter lepo pozdravljam v velikonočnem času, ko po vsem svetu odmeva vstajenska aleluja. Naj Bog blagoslovi vsakega izmed vas, vaše družine in celotno slovensko občestvo pod Južnim križem. Pater David je v Adelaidi, zato jaz posredujem te pozdrave in z vami bom zmolila za Božji blagoslov vsega našega prizadevanja. Bog živi, aleluja, Pater Ciril. Sedaj bomo pa zmolili najprej po slovensko in potem še po angleško. Oče naš, ki si v nebesih, posvečeno bodi tvoje ime, pridi k nam tvoje kraljestvo, zgodi se tvoja volja, kakor v nebesih, tako na zemlji. Daj nam danes naš vsakdanji kruh in odpusti nam naše dolge, kakor tudi mi odpuščamo svojim dolžnikom, in ne vpelji nas v skušnjavo, temveč reši nas hudega. Amen. And our Father in English, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. V imenu Očeta in Sina in Svetega Duha. Amen. And have a pleasant evening. Thank you.
Hvala lepa, Marija Anžič. Gospe in gospodje, prosim, da ostanete ob petju avstralske in slovenske himne, kateri bo zapela gospa Ana Tegel. In jaz bi vas samo spomnil, da po himni se ne ploska.
Ladies and gentlemen, I ask you to be upstanding for the Australian and Slovenian national anthems, or for a gentle reminder to please not applaud at the conclusion of the anthems. Thank you.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are young and free. With golden soil and wealth for toil, our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, our beauty rich and rare. In history's page let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair. Živena si narodi, ki krepene dočaka dan, da koder sonce hodi, prepiri sveta bo pregnan. Darojak prosposad, nevrakle sosid bomejak. Darojak prosposad, nevrakle sosid bo, nevrakle sosid bomejak.
Zdaj bi pa rad narodno povabil Romano Zetko, predsednico slovenskega kluba Jadran.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we introduce Mrs. Romana Zetko, president of our wonderful host club here at Jadran. Thank you, Romana.
Good evening, everybody. Your Excellency, distinguished guests, club presidents, ladies and gentlemen, we are all here today to celebrate our 15th Slovenian Cultures Festival. And I thank you for joining us to making this very happy, special and enjoyable one, and I am sure that with the least of effort we will make in be able to reach that. So once again, I thank you for your presence. Enjoy yourself and be happy.
Naš naslednji govornik bo gospod Roland Carmody, predsednik Sveta slovenskih organizacij Viktorije.
It gives us great pleasure to introduce Mr. Roland Carmody, President of the Council of Slovenian Organizations of Victoria. Thank you, Roland.
Your Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. We at the Council of Slovenian Organizations of Victoria are forever seeking new ways and practical solutions to diverse points at issue. And as a rule, all our resolutions are effectively attributable to our executive and members of the committee. Our biennial feast, referred to as a Slovenian Cultural Festival, has to be carefully planned, prepared and implemented. Today, this particular 15th biennial festival, which encapsulates 30 years of strategy, is no different from any previous ones. However, it is one of those ambitious programs devised competently as a realistic concept from the outset by none other than Mr. Peter Mandel, OAM JP, who had a dream when he envisaged a great get-together by all Slovenian clubs of Australia on a selected weekend and have loads of fun time in entertainment and savouring a variety of Slovenian dishes and cakes. Mr. Peter Mandel, may I, on behalf of everyone present, pay tribute to you for your achievement as a great advocate and a champion for the Slovenian community. In closing, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Mrs. Frances Ubers Johnson, our Secretary par excellence, as you say, for all the attention and hard work over the years, and to our Treasurer, Mr. Josef Saf, who not only looks after the money, but who never fails from correctly balancing the accounts. And for all those who helped and still are, please accept my very ardent thank you. And may I also add one more thing, which is at the last minute. I wish to apologize for the long delay. And thank you very much. Enjoy yourselves.
Thank you, Roland, and thank you for your kind words. That's wonderful. So the time has arrived to officially open this 15th Slovenian Festival, and please join us in welcoming Her Excellency Mrs. Helena Drnovšek-Zorko, Ambassador of the Republic of Slovenia.
Napočil je čas, da tudi uradno odpremo 15. slovenski festival. To čas bo imela njena ekscelenca, gospa Helena Drnovšek-Zorko, veleposlanica Republike Slovenije.
Dober večer in najlepša hvala za to veliko čast. Čisto na kratko mi dovolite, da najprej pozdravim najpomembnejše goste, ne bom vseh, da ne bo predolgo. Gospod Peter Mandel še enkrat. Ne bom ponavljala vseh naslovov, naš elder slovenske skupnosti v Viktoriji in širše. Mr. Roland Carmody, Chairman of the Council of Slovenian Organizations of Victoria, congratulations to you and to the Council for the continuity in organizing this event. It's 15 years, or actually it's 30 years because it's a biannual event. And I'm very, very honored to be able to open the 50th Slovenian Culture Festival in Melbourne. And thank you for inviting me and letting me to be part of this important celebration. I would just like, as the Ambassador of Slovenia, mention one more thing. This is the year when we celebrate another important anniversary, which also ends with 5. And this is the 25 years of the independence of Slovenia. And by celebrating the Slovenian culture in Victoria, let us also celebrate the important anniversary of Slovenia. Now, I have the honor and the pleasure to cut the ribbon and declare the Slovenian Culture Festival, the 15th in Melbourne, opened. And now the proceedings can begin. I really wish all of you a very, very happy moments tonight and tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay, so now that we're officially open, we can have a little bit of entertainment. And so firstly we have the Slovenian Men's Choir Planika singing 3 beautiful songs. Will my grandson still sing Slovenian songs? Secondly, we join our brothers and Gorensko.
Pevski zbor Planika pod vodstvom gospoda Rolanda Kamadija nam bo zapel 3 pesmi, in sicer bo moj vnuk še pel slovenske pesmi, po brati Milja in na Gorensko.
Please welcome the choir.
Da mi ponovno Naj čuje zemlja in nebo, kar nas pobrati mi pojo. Naj se od ust do ust razlega, kar tu med nami vsak prisega. Da srce zvesto kakor zdaj, ostalo bo da srce zvesto kakor zdaj, ostalo bo tebe komaj. In če ločitve pride čas, na razna pota žene nas, tu naj povrati roko mojo, ti pa podaj desnico svojo. Da srce zvesto kakor zdaj, ostalo bo tebe komaj. Da srce zvesto kakor zdaj, ostalo bo tebe komaj.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a treat. That was lovely.
Zdaj bi pa rad na oder povabil gospod Vero Brne, ki nam bo deklamirala pesem Otona Župančiča Z vlakom.
Please welcome Mrs. Vera Burnett reciting the poem By Train, written by Slovenian poet Oton Župančič.
Oton Župančič je bil slovenski pesnik, dramatik, prevajalec in urednik revije Ljubljanski zvon. Pesem Otona Župančiča Z vlakom je sestavljena iz 16 kitic, ampak jaz sem povzela samo 3. Pesem je nastala ob pesnikovem odhodu v tujino. Opisal je svojo žalost ob slovesu. V pesmi je najti tudi bolečino, strah in osamljenost, ki se loteva pesnika, ki zapušča domači kraj, domovino, ki jo ima pesnik strašansko rad. Opisuje lepoto domače zemlje, ljubezen do rodnega kraja, domovine in države. Zunanjega dogajanja skoraj ni. Opisuje le odhod in nato premikanje drvečega vlaka, ki se oddaljuje od ljubljene domovine. Drugo je le prikaz domače pokrajine pesnika, ki zapušča svoj kraj. Skozi okno opazuje podobo nočne Ljubljane, vidi grad in Šmarno goro, vlak pa ponazarja demona, ki pesnika pelje v tujino. S silo neznano si segla mi v dušo globin. Do zdaj nisem vedel, kako sem tvoj sin, kako te ljubim globoko. Domovina, daj mi roko, ne beži, ostani pri meni. Tesno, tesno me okleni in pel ti bom pesem visoko, kot niti še nihče pel. Src milijon bom razvnel, uklonil jih tvoji oblasti, raznetil v dušah strasti bom plemenite, malde, da zadovoljno zaklade najdražje pred te polože. Zvezde, stopite zenita strmin, višin. Z menoj, ve zvezde, z menoj, planine. Razširi, raztegni se krog domovine, razpni se kot morje, brezbrežno obzorje, dom moj. Kamor stopi mi noga, na tvojih sem tleh, kamor nese me jadro, na tvojih valeh, kamor hoče srce, pri svojih ljudeh. vasica med drevjem in tam domačija gozdarja na samem in vse za menoj. Pošastno sopihajoč, kot demon vlak gre v noč. Skri, mesec, za oblake se, skri. Naj ne vidim, kako beži, kako ostaja za mano domovina. Hvala.
Beautiful, thank you, Vera. You may have noticed we are powering through this program. It's quite a first for a Slovenian festival, but I've got a bit of a secret. I noticed there were the donuts on the table, so I just can't wait to get my hands on one actually, so I'm really looking forward to that.
Ja, mi ti. Zdaj bi pa lepo pozdravil otroke Slomškove šole Q, ki nam bodo predstavili narodne plese pod vodstvom učiteljice Julije Bogovič.
Please welcome some of our young Australian Slovenians from Slomšek School, part of the Slovenian Religious and Cultural Centre, as they perform Slovenian folk dances under the guidance of teacher Mrs. Julie Bogovič. absolutely delightful. Thank you.
Naslednja točka po programu je pevski nastop Kristine Fera in Katarine van der Linden, ki se nam bodo pridružile nekoliko kasneje in sicer med pauzami ansambla Melodija.
So you may have noticed on the printed programs, the next item is featuring singing duet with Christina Ferrer and Katarina van der Linden. The ladies will be performing later during dinner time. Which brings us to the final item on our program, and we warmly welcome back to the stage Mrs. Anna Tegel, channeling a little bit of Helena Blagner with this beautiful song, My Home.
Zdaj bi pa rad na oder še enkrat povabil Anna Tegel, da nam zapoje pesem Moj dom.
Well, thank you very much for welcoming me here this evening. I was supposed to have someone actually accompanying me, which was Lenti Lenko. But due to his wife being ill, he had to stay home and look after the children. So you've only got me this evening, and I hope everything goes all right. And I'm going to do for you a song, My Dom, which is a song by Helena Blagner. And thank you very much. Vračam se prek morja in mislim na te, moja domača vas, tam je moj dom. Dalu uzrem planin, zelene trate, bile so bele breze, ki raste nebo. Mati na pragu stoji in čaka na me, zguban je njen obraz, otožne oči. S kovčkom hitim po pražni vaški poti, spomini slike stare pred oči budi. Saj ko sam jaz od doma šla, le majhna hiška je bila, a zdaj ponosna zidana tam stoji. Nič več ni smeha iz dolin, za hišo tihnuje naš mlin, a meni srcu je ostal boleč spomin. Vračam se prek morja in mislim na te, moja domača vas, tam je moj dom. Dalu uzrem planin, zelene trate, bile so bele breze, ki raste nebo. Mati na pragu stoji in čaka na me, zguban je njen obraz, otožne oči. S kovčkom hitim po pražni vaški poti, spomini slike stare pred oči budi. Saj ko sam jaz od doma šla, le majhna hiška je bila, a zdaj ponosna zidana tam stoji. Nič več ni smeha iz dolin, za hišo tihnuje naš mlin, a meni srcu je ostal boleč spomin. A meni srcu je ostal boleč spomin. Vračam se prek morja in mislim na te.
Ana Tegel, you are a marvel. That was lovely. Thank you, thank you. I'd just like to take a moment to thank everyone who has worked tirelessly to make this festival a reality, to all the volunteer committees, to the performers, to the members of our host venue Yadran, to the ladies in the kitchen that have prepared dinner this evening, and to the people volunteering their services here today. I'd like to especially thank the Executive Committee of the Council of Slovenian Organisations of Victoria, our President Mr Roland Carmody, our Vice President Mr Peter Mandel, OAMJP, and our Treasurer Mr Jožet Saf, JP, who work incredibly, tirelessly with determination and have a never give up attitude. They are wonderful people to know. We thank our participating organisations, the Slovenian Association Melbourne, Slovenian Association Ivan Cankar Geelong, the Slovenian Social Club Jadran, and the Slovenian Welfare and Information Office. And a big thank you goes out to our sponsors for their wonderful support: the Government of the Republic of Slovenia, Supreme Caravans, Broadway Travel and Tours, JCS Timber, Kentfield Proprietary Limited, Mrs. Romana Zetko, Mr. John Kodric, Mr. Milan Kokol, Mr. Eddie Serena, Ms. Julia Champal, and Mr. Peter Orel. Thank you all for your amazing support. We sincerely hope that you enjoy the festival this evening and all day tomorrow. We will have dinner available shortly, along with live entertainment from Ensemble Melodia. And tomorrow the fun continues with the bocce competition from 9 a.m, cake competition, art and craft exhibition, kids activities, the one and only Pokaži Kai's Nash Talent Quest, and live music featuring Ensemble Žagari. Thank you.
Odborniki in člani slovenskih društev v svetu slovenskih organizacij in vsi prostovoljci, hvala vam za vaše delo, da je praznovanje 15. slovenskega festivala lepo in svečano. Po proslavi bo večerja in prosta zabava s popularnim ansamblom Melodija. Jutri pa bo na ogled razstava ročnih del, balinjanje, se začne ob 9. In razne otroške igre. Tisti, ki imajo kakšen talent, se bodo lahko preizkusili v Pokaži, kaj znaš, in najboljši bodo dobili tudi nagrado in priznanja. Za ples, jutri nas bo zabaval ansambl Žagari, tako da danes pa vam želim prijeten preostanek večera ob prijetni glasbi in dobri hrani. Hvala.
Ja, no, ker ste pa že tako željni, predvsem otroci, bova pa še eno, in sicer eno polko. Tale, ki smo jo slišali, ima naslov Tam, kjer Murke cveto, zelo znanega ansambla bratov Avsenik. Zdaj pa eno tudi zelo staro, ampak precej starejšo, kot smo mi dve, in sicer v Gorjah. To je ena vasica na Gorenjskem pri Bledu. Napisala sta jo Marjan Stare in Jože Burnik v izvedbi ansambla Mihe Dovžana, ampak nocoj samo za vas, Kristina in Katarina.
Thank you.
Gorija, veselje je doma. Pri nas beseda kaj velja. Gorja smo take sorte dekleta. Pazi, kdo okrog nas se opleta. Fantje imajo vročo kri. Češen z njim dobro zobatni. Zato le pridite v vas, v Gorjah bo kratek vam čas. O Gorjah dober gre glas, na to vesela je vas. To vesela je vas.
Cerkvica nas živi skali grad svojih, lepo čovržari, zlato tako je stari zvon. Bim bam, na kraj, skrbečka kraja, lepi krasni zim. Herzlich ein, bleib still, die Heid im Oberkrein. bleibt mir ein Herz allein, denn wo die Karawanke steht, da ist die Liebe schön zum Still, die Heid im Oberkreis, da laden wir die Wein. Santa Sivička igra, stoji blizu sovrčani, otoka poje stari zvon. Bim bam, na krajskim lička krajavi, hej pletica se takole, lahko si dol sedete, malo popijte in mi pridemo nazaj gor. Hvala lepa, thank you.
My name is Danila Stolfa and I'm here on behalf of the Slovenian Association Melbourne, and what we are presenting here is some schoolwork that the children done in the Slovenian Association Melbourne. These are all the schoolwork that they did years ago, and then over here it's all the Australian authors that published the books from all the Australian authors. And on the wall here we have the history of the Slovenian from all the clubs in Melbourne, from the beginning, all the way how the club started to develop, and as you go on, you know, from when they first arrived, the migrants, to the Bonegilla camps, and then how all the clubs developed. And we are very proud of the books that have been published. The books, especially, we had the Golden Harvest book that Draga Geld published for our 50th anniversary, and then we had the 60th anniversary. And this is the last book from Anthology of the Slovenian Association from Katarina Vrisk, which is very, very nicely.
Slovenian musicians.
Yeah, Anthology of Slovenian Australian Musicians. And yeah, this is I Am Slovenian Too. Some work from you know, children, from people that wrote, I feel I am Slovenian too. Anyway, I don't know.
Hvala lepa. Moje ime je Štefan. Jaz bom v imenu Jadrana, to je razstava od Slovenskega društva Jadran. In so razstavili pač vse, kaj so mogli. In zdaj pa gremo tam naprej, je pa razstava od Lucije in mene. To je pa razstava naša, od vse, kaj mi razstavljamo, koliko zdaj, 15 let, 30 let, 15. festival. In tam so slike še od Jadrana. Tukaj imamo nekaj ročnih del od naši mladi, bomo pokazali, ki so ručno delo slovenskih rok. Ne. Čakaj, tu še pa imamo ne vem, če vam je znano, je bil prvak 3-krat v Avstraliji, v Sloveniji, tukaj 3-krat v harmoniki, ne, je Branko Tomažič, to so njegove nagrade, ki je dobil vse leta.
Ja, je slika, to je slika njegova.
To je on.
To je imel koncert, predno je odšel v Kanado, v šolo.
To je ročno delo ene od čerka, ko je delala maturo, to je naredila hišo.
Naša vnukinja je tu.
To je pa društvo Geelonga. Tam še prinesel tisto veliko plankačo, če je rekel, ki če je kjer je videl. Hvala lepa. In kaj še ne povemo, no, to je zdaj 30 let, 15. festival. In izgleda, da nam je, kar še smo spravili skupaj, kaj da videti. In to je pa moja žena Lucija, bo povedala, kaj, koliko je delala.
Ja, jaz sem delala v slovenski skupnosti, v šoli, high school za slovenščino in tam imam albume. In zdaj pa bo čas počivati. Hvala lepa.